Welcome to TrueHost Academy, your go-to channel for mastering digital tools and strategies to grow your business. Today, we will look into how to send bulk emails for email marketing, which is a crucial aspect of connecting with your audience effectively. Whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or a dedicated email marketing platform, we'll guide you through the tools and tips to make your email campaigns a success. Let's start with Gmail. If you're looking to send bulk emails using Gmail, follow these simple steps. 1. Open Gmail and compose a new email. Log into your Gmail account and click on the Compose button. This opens a new email window. 2. Add a subject line and email body. Craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention. Then, write a clear and concise email body, whether it's a newsletter, announcement, or marketing message. 3. Use BCC for recipients. To protect privacy, use the BCC, blind carbon copy feature. This ensures that recipients won't see each other's email addresses. 4. Select recipients. Manually enter email addresses or select contacts from your address book. For larger lists, creating groups in Google Contacts can streamline the process. 5. Proofread and send. Review your email to eliminate any errors, then hit send. But remember, Gmail has limitations. Standard accounts can send up to 500 emails per day, and Google Workspace accounts up to 1,500. Exceed these limits, and you might face temporary restrictions. Next up is Outlook, another popular choice for sending bulk emails. Here's how to do it. 1. Put your contacts in a group. Start by organizing your contacts into a group. This simplifies bulk emailing. Go to the People tab, select New Contact List, and add your contacts. 2. Compose the email. Now, create your email just like you would for a single recipient. Write or paste your message into the body. 3. Set a contact list as the recipient. Paste the contact list name into the To field. To maintain privacy, consider using the BCC field. 4. Review and send. Before sending, conduct a final review. Check for errors, ensure compliance with provider guidelines, and then click Send. Outlook also has its limitations, such as a daily limit of about 300 emails and fewer advanced features compared to dedicated tools. If you're serious about scaling your email marketing, consider using a dedicated email marketing platform. These tools offer significant advantages. 1. No sending limits. Unlike Gmail and Outlook, these platforms allow you to reach larger audiences without restrictions. 2. Better deliverability. Emails sent from these platforms are less likely to be flagged as spam, improving your inbox placement and open rates. 3. Advanced features. Templates. Access professionally designed templates, automation, setup sequences for onboarding, follow-ups, and more. Segmentation. Target specific groups within your audience. Analytics. Track performance metrics to refine your strategy. Some popular platforms include HubSpot, MailChimp, and Bravo. Now, if you're looking for a more secure, reliable, and customizable solution for sending bulk emails, consider the TrueHost Private Mail Server. It's designed specifically for businesses that need to scale their email marketing without worrying about limitations or third-party restrictions. Here's why the TrueHost Private Mail Server is a game changer for bulk emailing. 1. Enhanced security. Security is a priority with TrueHost. Your emails are protected with advanced encryption, ensuring that your data and communications remain private and secure. 2. Dedicated support. At TrueHost, we offer dedicated support to help you set up and optimize your mail server. Whether you need assistance with configuration, deliverability, or troubleshooting, our team is here to help. Switching to the TrueHost Private Mail Server is simple. Reach out to us at TrueHost Academy for a tailored solution. Our team will guide you through the setup process, ensuring you're up and running quickly. You can also click the link in the description to get started. To wrap up, while Gmail and Outlook are great for small-scale efforts, dedicated email marketing platforms are your best bet for larger campaigns. These tools not only overcome limitations, but also provide powerful features to boost your marketing success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tips from TrueHost Academy. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.